Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about the installation of few tools so that you can work with Selenium with Python. First one is installation of Python in different OS. Here I'm using Windows. I will discuss how we can install Python in Windows, Linux and Mac OS. And second one is installation of Selenium package. So how you will install a Selenium package. And then we will discuss installation of web drivers. Then installation of Selenium IDE. So using these tools, you have to prepare your environment of machine so that you can work with Selenium. So let's say how we can install the Python. It's very easy. So there is our official website www.python.org/downloads. So if you will go here and you can see, you will find out 3.6.1 and one is 2.7.13. So 2.7 is the stable version so that you can download this one. Even you can download this one also. So it's up to you which you want to use. I downloaded 2.7 because it's stable and 3.6 in beta version. Just you will click here and you will get the download here because I have already downloaded and I have installed. So here you can see if you are using any other OS like Linux, Mac OS and other, I will show you the MSI file. So in this format you will get a MSI file. If you do double click on it, you can run it and you can install. After installation you will get this folder, and if you will go inside the folder you will get a Python exe file. So if you will run this, it will work. So here I can write the code. Let's say print hello, and it got execute, like it's working fine. So now I want to set the environment variables for this so that I can access using command prompt. If I will go inside command prompt, I'm typing here Python. Here Python got execute, but why it got execute? Because I have set environment variables. So environment variables means whenever you will type any command inside command prompt, first it will go inside the internal library of operating system. Then again it will check inside path variable in environment variables. If it is there, then it will execute, otherwise it will not execute. So let's say if I will use any other command, so I will exit from here and let's say couple. So it is not a recognized an internal and external command. So if you are not setting the environment variables and you are typing your Python, then you will get this error in Windows. So how you can remove this error? You can set the environment variables. Go to start and computer, right click and here properties, and you can see here advanced system settings. You can go there and environment variables, and here you can see there is a path. I will edit it, and you have to set the name of the variable is path. And what will be the path? I will tell you. So this is the path actually I'm passing inside C directory Python 2.7. So this is the directory. So I have passed a lot of directories. I will show you what are the directories I have passed. So this is the directory. One is Python 2.7, another is for Java because I am having Java also. And you can see again library, site packages and scripts. And here you can see script pip, C, Python 2.7 scripts. And the end of this you have to type %path in caps and %. So in this format you can save the environment variables. So here these scripts, so this folder, and you can do till here also, but you can pass other folder location also. It's up to you. It will work fine. After that you have to do OK here. If you are not having here path variable, you can create using new, and you can type here path and you can give here path, and then you can set it. After doing OK, here just click on OK. Don't use the previous command prompt, use the new one, and will type Python, so you will get the output in this way. So it will call the Python exe file. So now you will be able to execute the Python program. For testing purpose, I'm just executing hello, and here you will get the results. So it's working fine. So in this way you can install the Python. So it's very easy to install the Python in any operating system, even in Linux and Mac OS, it's inbuilt. The next point is how we can install the Selenium. So here the second point is installation of Selenium package. So it's very simple. So for that you need to download Pip. Pip is a tool to download the Python packages. If I will type here pip, you can see I'm getting some kind of string. But if you are not having pip in your system, then you will get it is not recognized as internal and external command. After that, you have to use pip install Selenium. From where you are getting this package is, this is the official website of Selenium, is www.seleniumhq.org. From here we are extracting the package using pip. Here you can see I'm doing pip install Selenium. Do enter. Here requirement already satisfied. So I have already installed inside site packages. You can see this is the location, and if I'll go in the same location, C folder, Python 27, and here you will get site packages. You can see here this is a Selenium, and this folder got created. So whenever you will install the Selenium, this folder will be installed automatically. Now how you can check it is working or not? So you can just type Python, and from Selenium is the package, import WebDriver, and it got executed. So there is no error. That means you have successfully installed Selenium. So in next video we will discuss how we can install WebDrivers. Thanks for watching.